Hello students, welcome to one and all. Namaskar. This is part 5 of chapter 4 Animal Kingdom, unit 1, that is diversity in living world. This part 5 includes, that is, characters, salient features of phylum Hemichordata and then phylum Chordata. Characters of phylum Chordata, how does it differ from non-chordates? Then we have to say subphylum of chordates, that is Urochordata, Cephalochordata, and that is Vertebrata. And then in Vertebrata subphylum, we have to see class 1, that is Cyclostomata. Their characters and different organisms belonging to these subphylums or class. This is part 5, chapter 4, Animal Kingdom. In this, we have to discuss first characteristics of a phylum Hemichordata. Hemichordata, hemi means half chordates. Neither these are chordates nor these are non-chordates. You see, Hemichordata was earlier considered as a subphylum under phylum Chordata, but nowadays it is placed as a separate phylum under non-chordata. It's an important question. I'll give that is 3 star to this point. Question may come. Hemichordata, they have rudimentary structure in collar region. You know that they have 3 regions. One is that is proboscis, one is collar, and this is the third region. Worm-like these are. So in this collar region, they have a rudimentary structure which is similar to that of notochord, and this structure, children, is known as stomochord. Important question again, this one is, that is stomochord is found only in Hemichordata, which is notochord-like structure, but truly this is not notochord. Therefore, Hemichordata can be called as that is stomochordata. What we may call stomochordata. Stomochord is having different origin. Notochord is having different origin. So the phylum, this phylum consists of a small group, worm-like, these are marine animal, and they have organ system of, that is body organization, organ system level of organization. That is, this is highest level of organization found in animals. The first one cellular, second one is tissue, third one is organ grade, and the fourth one is organ system level. The body is bilateral symmetrical. We can divide the body into 2 halves, that is left and right. Triploblastic, as usual, all the 3 germinal layers, ectoderm, yes, mesoderm, and that is endoderm are present. And coelomate animals, true coelom is present. Body is cylindrical. It is composed of anterior region. This is proboscis. That is the middle region is, that is collar, and this is known as this trunk. This is a long trunk. Is it? Come to the next now. Here in this case, that is circulatory system is open type. Respiration takes place through gills. Excretion is by proboscis gland. We have to see that is proboscis is having some excretory glands which helps in, that is, excretion. Sexes are separate. Fertilization is external, that is in seawater, and development is indirect, means that is larva is formed. The example is 𝕆𝕋𝔍𝔼, and that is 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼. Is it right? If you say both of these are known as, that is tongue worm. These are known as, that is tongue worm. Worm-like body they have. Is it? Some other characters, if you want to see regarding segmentation, what you will see, segmentation is absent. Unsegmented body, this is, the important question. Segmentation is present in annelids. Yes, it is present in arthropods. Is it? Arthropods. And it is also present in chordate. That is repetition of the organ in chordates. Vertebra vertebrae are repeated. Therefore, we'll call that segmentation is. So here in this case, segmentation is absent. Is it okay? Anterior region, I told you, that is, it is having the collar region. Can you remember? It is having the stomochord. Stomochord, it is similar to that is notochord. Is it right? Then about reproductive system, these are dioecious, already have written. Sexes are separate, means these are dioecious, that is male and female, these are separate. Fertilization is external, that will take place in sea because these are exclusively marine animals. Right? Come to the next now, that is, now we have to go for phylum Chordata. That is most important one, and you all are familiar with the member of chordate. If I ask that you have to give 10 examples of chordata, you can give even 50 examples of chordata. Animals belonging to phylum Chordata, that is fundamentally characterized by presence of number 1 notochord, number 2 dorsal hollow nerve cord, number 3 paired pharyngeal gill, and number 4 is part of the body, that is, this is anus. Beyond anus, part of the body is known as tail. So presence of tail, that's notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, paired pharyngeal gills, and post-anal. These are characters of, these are the paired gills. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 characters. This is again I have to give, that is 5 star, 4 star to this. Important question has come many times in, that is NEET examination. Is it right? Come to the next part. Now, these chordates, they have bilateral symmetry. Yes, bilateral symmetry. I used to draw a very good diagram. That is, you may, that is even enjoy this diagram. That this is an organism here, right? That this is human being or any mammal. That is, we can divide the body into 2 halves only from one axis, that is left side and the right side. This is bilateral symmetry. Triploblastic, all the 3, ectoderm, mesoderm, and that is endoderm. True coelom with organ level of body organization, already I have seen. Post-anal tail is present. Closed circulatory system, important one. Closed circulatory system, C, that is associated with, that is capillary. Capillary are present in which type of circulatory system? Closed capillary. Capillary are not found in open circulatory system. Then salient features of the chordate and non-chordate, if you want to compare. Right now you have seen what are these. In chordates, notochord is present. The central nervous system is dorsal. It is hollow and single. Pharynx perforated by gills. Gill slits are there. Heart is ventral. And post-anal part, that is tail, is present. If we compare non-chordates, why this is non-chordate? Because chordate, notochord is absent. That is, central nervous system is always ventral. You can see, if this is the body of cockroach, I am going to make this body of cockroach here. Then here is the, that is now ring is there. And now the that is ventral cord, this is double ventral cord. And each segment it is having, that is ganglia. So this is ventral nerve cord. And this ventral nerve cord is solid. And that is double. This is pharyngeal gills are absent here. Heart is dorsal. And surprising one, interesting one. That is, heart is present in non-chordates also. You know, earthworm is having hearts. The cockroach is also having hearts. Not only one, many more than one. We have only one heart, but the earthworm is having 4 pairs of heart. Even the cockroach is having many more hearts. You have to remember in time to come. You have to, that is, post-anal tail is absent in case of non-chordates. Is it clear? Come to the next now. Phylum Chordata. It is divided into 3 subphyla: Urochordata or tunicates, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. One of the question was once, that is, this phylum Chordata, yes, phylum Chordata, this statement is true or false, has the subphylum, yes, Hemichordata, then Urochordata, right, and that is Cephalochordata, and that is Vertebrata. This is right or wrong? Yes, come on. This one is incorrect statement because Hemichordata is not subphylum of phylum Chordata nowadays. It's incorrect. Come to this now. Subphyla Urochordata and Cephalochordata are often referred as protochordate. So this is non-chordate, chordate and protochordate, primitive type of chordate, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. And all these are exclusively marine, remember. Urochordata, as the name indicates, notochord is present in larval tail only, Urochordata. While in Cephalochordata, it extends from head to tail region and it persists throughout the life. Important feature. Again, this is the question for stars, right? Question for stars, this is. Examples, Urochordata, this is Acidia, Urochordata. That other examples, Sulpa and Dolilium, these are also, that is of Urochordata. Example of Cephalochordata is, that is Branchiostoma, Amphioxus or lion's slit, this is known as, and in this, the notochord is present from head to tail region, and this is persistent. This remains throughout the life. Is it? Can we proceed to the next now? Yes. Subphylum, that is Vertebrata now. Member of subphylum Vertebrata. Why it is known as Vertebrata? Important characteristic. Subphylum Vertebrata possesses notochord during the embryonic period only, but during adult, the notochord is replaced by a cartilaginous or bony vertebral column. Therefore, these are known as what? Vertebrates. Do you remember it? Important point these are. Thus, all vertebrates are chordates. All vertebrates are chordates, but all chordates are not vertebrate. Very, very important statement this is. Can you recall it now? What are vertebrates? These are the chordates. Phylum, tell me children, this is phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata is having, that is Vertebrata, right? It is having what? Urochordata. It is having what? That is Cephalochordata. Cephalochordata. Both they have, that is notochord is present. Notochord is present in all notochord. But here, notochord is replaced by vertebral column. See the statement again. All vertebrates, that these are, that is, classes are there. That is Cyclostoma is there. Cyclostomata. Then, what more? That is Pisces are there. Then the tetrapods are there. All these are vertebrate. So you see, all vertebrates are chordate or not, but all chordates are not vertebrate. These are not vertebrates. Very important statement you have to remember. Beside basic chordate characters, vertebrate have some other characters also. They have ventral muscular heart. Where we have our heart, we are also vertebrate. Where is the heart? You keep your hand on heart. Where this is? It is on ventral side of the body. It is not towards back. The 2 or 4 chambers, 2 to 4 chamber, 2, 3, 4 chamber hearts are there. That is kidney for excretion and osmoregulation, and the paired appendages are there, which may be fin or limbs. These are some additional characters of, that is, a subphylum vertebrate. Okay, come to the next now. Subphylum Vertebrata is further divided as Vertebrata. What do you mean by Vertebrata, children? Yes, here notochord yes, notochord is replaced by, that is vertebral column notochord. So vertebrata, this is subphylum vertebrata. It is divided into two, that is divisions. These are divisions. One is 𝕉𝕉. A means absent, A means absent, A means no, A means nakka, no, nai, absent. So when the za is absent, gnetha means za, zas are absent, then it is known as 𝕉𝕉. When the zas are present, the vertebrates which pierce zas are known as gnathostomata. 𝕉𝕉, zas are absent, but they have circular mouth with suckers are there, and these are the 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆. Class 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆, that is 𝕍𝕀 means circular mouth. They have circular, stomata means mouth. Circular mouth is there, 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆. Then this gnathostomata division, it has two superclasses. One is piscis, which bears, that is appendices are in the form of fins, and when the appendices are in the form of limbs, four limbs are there, two pairs, known as tetrapoda. The piscis have two classes, that is chondriochythis. Chondriochythis means these are cartilaginous face. Their endoskeleton is made up of, that is cartilage endoskeleton, and these are having, that is bony endoskeleton. Bony, yes, endoskeleton they have. Is it right? And on other side, now this tetrapoda, the four limbs are there. The classes are amphibia, reptilia, aves, and mammals. Amphibia, you know. Have you seen any amphibian? In rainy season, have you seen frog? Did you try to catch the frog? Frog used to live in water as well as on land. In rainy season, because moisture is there, the frog used to come on land. They used to jump. Frog. And that is, a brother of frog is there, that is toad. So frog and toads are there. Reptiles, you all have seen. The lizard is there. Lizard is found in our houses also. Aves, different type of aves. You can name a lot of birds. And the mammals similarly, we are also. The Ram is also mammal, Sham is also mammal, Muhammad is also mammal, and you are also mammal, I am also mammal. Even kangaroo is mammals, the gorillas, chimpanzee, orangutan. Different type of mammals are there. The panthera is there. The, yes, tiger is there. The leopard is there. What not, cat is there. Dog is there. All these are examples of mammals. You see, chart is over. Can you remember all this now? Now, we have to see, that is one class, that is 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆. You know 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆, it belongs to division, that is 𝕉𝕉. Right now I told you, that is 𝕉𝕉. Division is, yes, 𝕉𝕉. This one is, that is here, the jaws are absent. Jawless these are. Jawless, that is vertebrate these are. Right? 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆. 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆, what we mean by? That is circular mouth they have. They have, yes, circular mouth they have. Right? So 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆, all living members of the class 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆 are ectoparasite on some fish. Interesting thing. These are ectoparasite. Let I am going to make that this is, that is a fish is there. This is a fish, right? And this is the, that is this 𝕍𝕀𝔻𝔼𝕆, which is ectoparasite. Circular mouth, this one is, with the help of this circular mouth, it is found attached to the body of, that is this large fish, and used to suck its feed from this large fish. The body is elongated one, as I made it here. It is having 6 to 15 pair of gills. These are the gills are 6 to 15 pairs of gills. Gill slits are there. Purpose is respiration. Cyclostomes, they have sucking and circular mouth, I told you, and the jaw is absent. Important feature this one is, right? And the body is devoid of scale. Scale and paired fins. Fins are absent here. Paired fins are absent. Important is scales are also absent. Cranium and vertebral column, these are cartilaginous. Circulation, blood circulatory system is closed type. You have to remember. Cyclostomes, that is cyclostomata members. These are marine. Very important, very, very important that how many star I should give to this point. It has the question. This is the question which is being asked many more times in examination. So you have to remember for this. Cyclostomes are marine, but they migrate for spawning to fresh water. See children, this is the seas, this is ocean is there. This is the cyclostome, that is, you can see the cyclos. This is one of the cyclostome, jawless vertebrate, that is 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝔼. You are seeing that is here 6 to 15, that is gill slits are there. The fins are not, fins are there, but the paired fins are absent. This is the paired fins are absent. Okay, paired fins are. The body is, that is elongated body is there. This is, you can remember elongated, that is body is there. And this is the, if you see this side, if you see the mouth is, that is mouth is circular. Yes, mouth is, come on, mouth is circular. So this is 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝕆. You see here, this 𝕆𝕋𝔼, I can make this 𝕆𝕋𝔼 like this now. It is living in water. Whole life it will remain in, that is marine water, ocean, or that is in sea. But what is interesting one, that is for breeding purpose, for laying eggs, it will go to the fresh water. This one is, that is river. Definitely river is having fresh water. So it will go upward in fresh river, will lay the eggs here, and after a few days, this dies here only. The egg, that is after metamorphosis, they will again back to the, that is ocean. This is very important phenomena found in cyclostomes, marine, but they migrate for spawning purpose to fresh water. After spawning, that is within a few days they die. Their larva, after metamorphosis, that will be returned back to the ocean. Very important one. How many times I told you? Very important one. This is example is, that is 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝔼. The layman, that his name is lamprey, and this myxin, also known as hagfish. And this is the example of, that is this 𝕆𝕋𝔼𝔼. Children, this is the body of large fish. This is the body of, that is large fish. This one is, okay, this is fish. These are the paired fish. So this is found attached to the body of this large fish with the help of circular mouth. It used to, that is suck the feed from this. That's why this one is, tell me, ectoparasite, and that is, this is exclusively marine. Exclusively, this one is marine. What more? Can you remember? Important point, that is for spawning purpose, they will move to the river, they will move to fresh water, that is they will move to river, and then they will lay the eggs here, that is spawning will be done, and after that, that is these adults which are left here, these are the adults will die here only in river. And after metamorphosis, that is egg, that is larva will be there, and this larva will be then returned back to, that is sea water. Very important point this is. Okay children, so this is about cyclostomata. Now can we go back, if that is a fast recap, because important one. I told you this chart is very, very important one. That is question may come. I told you earlier, from this chapter 3 to 5 question used to come almost every year. Last year in 2020, that is 4 questions came from this chapter, and these questions are, that is you can answer easily. It seems that many more names are there, many more terms are there, but if conceptually you understand and you are sound, you can give answer of these questions easily. Vertebrata is subphylum Is it? Subphylum of Chordata. Vertebrata is subphylum of, that is Chordata. Chordata is the phylum. Vertebrata is having two divisions, Agnatha, and that is Gnathostomata. This is having only one class neochord, that is Cyclostomata. Superclass is Pisces, and that is Tetrapoda. Chondriochysis, can you remember? Cartilaginous fish, and that is Osteochysis fish. We have to read, we have to study detail of this. And Tetrapoda, the name indicate, tetra means that is four, poda means that is limbs, that is four limbs are there in this, and it has the classes, four classes, amphibia, reptilia, apes and mammals. I told you the detail of this right now. Go a little back. Subphylum Vertebrata, very, very important character. This important statement I can give this, that is stars to this, frequently asked question. This is, all chordates are not vertebrate. All chordates, these are the chordate. This is, that is urochordate, and this one is, that is cephalochordate. These are chordates, but these are not vertebrate, because in these the notochord persists throughout the life, or that is notochord is present. Noto, that is noto, this is chord. Notochord is present and it is not substituted into vertebrate. Herein, that is vertebrate, notochord, it is being replaced. Notochord is present only in embryonic stage, and then it will be substituted by vertebral column. Is it clear? Right? Okay. So very good question. This is very good question. This one. Then cephalochordates, then vertebrata. These are phylum chordata is divided into subphyla, urochordata or tunicate. Why these are known as tunicate? You have to study in time to come. Cephalochordate and vertebrata. Urochordate, notochord is present only in, that is larval stage, while in this, that is amphioxis, this one is cephalochordate. It is present throughout the life and from head to tail region. In this is present only in tail region and will disappear. Right? That an important question came once, I already told you. Phylum Chordata has hemichordata, urochordata, then this is cephalochordata, and this is vertebrata. Which one is wrong? Yes, this is wrong statement, because hemichordata now is not kept in, that is phylum chordata. Hemichordata, it is a separate phylum. It is a, tell me children, it is a separate phylum which comes under, that is non-chordata. Is it clear? Now in the same way, you can go a little back. Comparison between chordates and non-chordates. Important characters of chordate, 4 characters I told you. And now what is this? This is what? Hemichordata, 𝕆𝕋ℍ𝔼𝔼. 𝕆𝕋ℍ𝔼𝔼 means it is having a stomachoid. Again important question. Stomachoid is not a chord like. It is present in, that is collar region. Is it okay? Thank you very much children. Thank you.